Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can spend your point from rank match to unlock the all attachment of the weapon. So I give you for example, I give you a weapon, tap the loadout. So this one, the yellow thing, this one. So tap the details. So you can unlock this powerful loadout, like unlock all the attachment with this point. For example, this is my ASM, still level 1, and I've got no attachment for this weapon, but I can active the attachment, all weapon attachment, just one click. I own 150 point. Tap, and look at this, all the attachment is unlocked. So I give you another example for sniper. This is my favorite one. I mean locus. Tap the locus. So there is no attachment unlocked yet because I'm still level 1. Just tap this. All weapon and attachment will be available. Successfully activate, and this one. And the minus is it's only for one loadout, not 1 2 3, just for this. Only one loadout that can be activated for this point. And play rank match to earn this point. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.